Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make short-form content. To truly capture your audience, you must hook them immediately. The first 3 seconds are critical for engagement. Start with a bold statement, a surprising fact, or a captivating visual. This initial grab ensures viewers stay for the entire duration, maximizing your content's impact and reach. Once you have their attention, deliver immense value in a short time frame. Each video should convey one clear message, whether it's an educational tip, a quick tutorial, or pure entertainment. Aim for a video length between 15 and 60 seconds to maintain peak engagement and ensure your message is easily digestible for busy viewers. High-quality production significantly elevates your short-form content. Ensure your lighting is bright and even, and your audio is crisp and free of background noise. Edit with a rapid pace, incorporating dynamic cuts and transitions to keep viewers engaged. Adding captions is also crucial, as 85% of short-form videos are watched without sound. To truly succeed, consistent distribution and active engagement are key. Post your content regularly on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Respond to comments and questions to foster a strong community. Regularly review your analytics to understand what resonates, allowing you to continuously improve your content strategy and expand your audience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.